Welcome back to the Kaspa Silver YouTube channel. In today's video, I want to talk about the recent news that just dropped about Marathon Digital Holdings announcing Kaspa mining operations. If you don't already know, Marathon Digital Holdings is the largest Bitcoin miner. They have a current market cap for the company valued at $5.47 billion. I was told by a buddy of mine that they mine over 30 BTC every single day, but they just recently dropped a press release saying that they wanted to announce that they have been having a Kaspa mining operation going on with their company. You could see here that Kaspa is currently the fifth largest proof of work digital asset by market cap. It boasts a market cap of $3.9 billion with approximately $64.8 million in daily trading volume as of June 25th, 2024. The circulating supply is approximately 24 billion Kas with a current block reward of 103.83 Kaspa, and the terminal supply is capped at 28.7 billion Kas. Similar to Bitcoin, Kaspa is an open source, decentralized, and fully scalable layer 1 protocol that uses proof of work as its consensus mechanism. However, unlike Bitcoin's blockchain, which is linear and processes one block every 10 minutes, Kaspa utilizes a block DAG that it enables multiple blocks to be produced simultaneously. The Kaspa network currently possesses one block every second, allowing for faster transactions and providing Kaspa miners with the opportunity to potentially earn more block rewards in a given time frame. In May 2023, Marathon began evaluating Kaspa as a potential way to diversify its revenue while continuing to utilize its current infrastructure and expertise in digital asset compute. After successfully deploying its first Kaspa ASICs in September 2023, the company began scaling its operations. Marathon has purchased approximately 60 petahash of KS3, KS5, and KS5 Pros ASICs, each of which is estimated by ASIC miner value to generate profit, in certain cases up to 95% margins given the current network difficulty rate and price of Kas. 30 petahash of Marathon's Kaspa ASIC are currently operational in the company's self-owned and operated facilities in Texas, and the remainder are currently expected to be fully energized in Q3 2024. As of June 25th, 2024, Marathon has mined 93 million Kaspa, which are currently valued at approximately $15 million. By mining Kaspa, we're able to create a stream of revenue that is diversified from Bitcoin and that is directly tied to our core competencies in digital asset compute, said Adam Swick, Marathon Chief Growth Officer. Because of our existing infrastructure, our unique relationships with hardware manufacturers, our strong balance sheets, and the expertise of our team, Marathon was uniquely positioned to mine Kaspa and to capitalize on the high margins that exist for those who can deploy Kaspa ASICs today. We look forward to continuing to support innovation in proof-of-work ecosystems as we expand our position as a leader in digital asset compute. So this is basically what they said about Kaspa. I can leave the link to this down below in the description. But ever since this news dropped, Kaspa is basically about to just pass 17 cents right here as we're recording. So I think this drop pretty much did give some more bullish action for Kaspa. And also, if we're looking in the top 100 market cap, you could see that Kaspa is one of the top gainers in the top 100 cryptocurrencies here, currently putting in about 6% gains for the day, while the rest of the market is either tanking or hasn't really done much at all today. So, you know, this is pretty huge. And we were just talking about this in this live stream yesterday, how we don't know if they've been mining Kaspa or not. We just kind of know they've been involved. But they announced that they've been mining since September of 2023, and they've gotten over 93 million Kaspa, and that's worth about $15 million. If we're looking at mining pool stats here, you can also see that when it comes to the emissions of Kaspa based on the daily revenue for miners, it's currently sitting at $1.51 million in the last 24 hours, and Kaspa is just under Dogecoin right now. So it looks like Kaspa wants to take back the number 2 spot for daily emissions. And of course, Bitcoin's still sitting at $23.56 million of revenue in the last 24 hours. But at this point, it's safe to say Kaspa is becoming way too big to ignore. And we're just going to probably see more and more mining companies get involved with Kaspa because, in my opinion, I think it's the smartest decision for any company in the crypto space to consider adopting Kaspa. Kaspa is a one of a kind. It's like a once in a lifetime cryptocurrency to exist in this market. It's pretty much never been seen before, and I have been covering it for over a year now on this channel, trying to get people to just at least look at it, research it, and try to understand what it's bringing to the space, because I believe it is going to be pretty revolutionary. I had finished recording, but some more information came out, and I just wanted to add that one of the people that work at Marathon Digital did say, for your information, Kaspa will represent just 1% of our energy capacity once fully deployed. Let's not try and spin it any other way. To say we are pivoting is wrong and irresponsible. And I do just want to clarify that this is not Marathon Digital completely moving away from Bitcoin. I don't even expect them to ever do that, or any Bitcoin mining companies to completely pivot away from Bitcoin. But nonetheless, the fact that they actually see some kind of value to get into Kaspa and still allocate 1% of their energy capacity to Kaspa is still, in my opinion, pretty bullish, and is a really good thing to see when it comes to Kaspa adoption. So hope you guys enjoyed that video. And if you have not considered getting yourself a Tangent wallet, this is a good way to keep your Kaspa offline and off exchanges. It's so important to self-custody your Kaspa. You do not want to be holding your Kaspa on exchanges, because when you do, you don't actually own the Kaspa. The exchanges actually own the Kaspa. So if you are interested, you can get yourself a exclusive Tangent Kaspa branded wallet. There's currently 114 left, and if you use the code Kaspa Silver at the checkout, you can get 10% off this, and I do receive a commission for this, and it greatly supports the channel. There are also other wallets that you can look into, like Ledger and OneKey. I have videos for those on my channel and links to those down below in the description as well. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new around here, and as always, don't be average, be different.